Curry facing a triple team, fires and hit. Curry right back from downtown. The left wing. Curry pulls it up and hits a long three. Open shot for Curry. Oh, what a move. Curry is open for three. Yes.
Curry will pop and hit. You can't give him that space. And you can't give him space like that. About thinking he should have won it. Curry pulls up from 30 and knocks it down. He got it.
Curry's going to take it. Man, oh man. It's a shame the guy's got no game. And they got
Can't
burned.
go under. That's the communication part.
Get away from him. You can't give him any space. Needed 13 shots for the 13 points. Step back, and that's when you know you got a soft touch. It'll be Curry again. Space. I think I've seen that before. Tough cover. Really tough cover. I mean, what is Tony Douglas going to do? The dribble, going to the line, looking for the 4-point play. Luke Babbitt. And that'll do it. Thank you very little.
Steph Curry. He can hit threes.
Particularly that one.
Steph Curry hitting a three. The three. Yes, sir. Curry. No. Yes. Come on. First shot of the night.
Size players as Curry gets the wide open three.
Curry. Oh! Count it and the foul! Curry for three.
Finish with that the three.
Curry for three. Puts it in! Curry again for three. Bang! Curry, long distance. It's good! Steph Curry from way downtown.
Long range Curry hits away. Curry deep three. Curry, pump fake, steps into the three. Bang. He's got it going now. Got it. Curry knocks it in. Curry and try it again. That's good. Curry gonna try it again. That's good. Lead to DeMarcus Cousins. Fitting it in is Steph Curry.
And the streak continues. There's Curry.
MVP Steph Curry has it. Got it from Draymond with the outlet to Curry. The pull-up right down the middle.
Saw that coming.
Steph Curry triples from the top.
Curry for three. Leading 2 consecutive games with a three-point make. And Steph Curry trying to draw a foul. And of course it does. When it's sat down, does not go back-to-back. Curry from way downtown. Yes, Curry adds to it. Officially would have nothing on his record. Meanwhile, Curry is open for three. Yes. Giving Curry a tough time. Curry gets it off. And with Miller's hand on the ball, three. Yes. The crowd here is in disbelief. Curry for three.
Wow. Steph lines up another, and why not? Floor right now.
Curry got that one. Curry on a three. You bet. Curry will fire. He got it. Just past his pops. Short. Curry a three. He got it.
Cycling around, they just left the best shooter in the world.
He had time to dribble.
Steph Curry from deep. Iguodala work on the glass, and another three!
Half court isn't working.
And Curry, a three right on cue. Curry three. Good!
Power forward. There's a Bogut screen and the open triple. And
That's one of the main reasons why.
Curry with a three. Against Steph Curry, he's 3 of 8, a 3 over Griffin. There's 27 for Steph, a 3 over Griffin. Curry, three.
I mean, this kid, it's almost becoming comical.
Plenty of time. Got it. What a shot by Steph Curry.
This is becoming ridiculous.
Drains his first three of the night. Curry, he'll set himself up. You bet. Curry, another try. Got that one.
Setting up a man who is a good three-point shooter. Steph Curry with the three.
We're going to be better players.
Steph Curry with the three. Steph Curry bails him out. A three.
Good shot for Curry. Yes. A three-pointer. Zilli right back. And Curry hits the three. Curry for three. Yes.
As the center.
Here's Curry with the quick release. Over Nance.
As he got knocked down, and then he knocks down the three. I'll head back that way, and I'll give you more as soon as I get it. As the Warriors just whip the ball around, and Curry is fouled from three.
He knocks down another one. His name is Steph Curry, if you didn't know. Messing around.
Off the fake, Curry, nothing but net. Curry from deep. Why not? He's 5 for 12 from the arc, 42%, but dwarfed by Curry and company. Makes it look so easy. Curry for three, right in front of the Suns bench. Oh, and they get it back. Azili the rebound, and then Curry rattles it down.
Three-pointer, first of the game. Step back three, and it's a three-point game. Curry, quick release. That's his third long ball.
Steph Curry rails a three. Curry three doesn't work for Ingles. Parts his hair with a triple three. Good! And we're tied. Curry three. Good! And he unties it.
He's done that before. Long three. Oh my.
And get some boards.
That's a three-pointer, and Curry gets it to go. Wide open look for Curry.
That cannot happen.
Three more. Curry. Oh my. He can do whatever he wants. 25. And he does. Curry. Oh, just incredible.
An automatic leader as Curry just comes right back. So silky smooth. And Steph Curry tack there. No call. There's Curry so quick. Let's go.
And, then it's, anything happens when once you get there.
Here's Curry's three is good. Bounce. Here's a three-pointer, and that's how they get you. Curry, the three. It's like that. Here's Curry stopping on a dime, and he drills it. 99, Curry. Splash.
Curry, it's good.
Down, though, the Warriors at the offensive end.
Curry, a bomb. And he got it.
Alone.
And knocks it down. Front Curry does just that. Curry, a three is good.
Wild.
I mean, that's the wizardry of this guy. That's why you've got to stay on him.
And
that's how they make their run.
It's open behind the arc.
They've done a good job getting back. Just lost Curry in the transition.
Next to three. He's back in. Now he's got 10.
Yeah.
Curry, a little deeper this time. Buries that one.
Well, there he goes.
Yeah. Curry. Wow.
I'm going to tell you, that is one of the best shots I've ever seen anybody take.
Whoa, are you kidding me? Ball lost. Curry throws it up from the corner. Off the scramble to Curry.
But great. Curry just 2 for 5. Nice little hesitation dribble on Lure. And Chef Curry, oh, he was cooking with some hot fish grease.
Steph Curry. Watch. Curry for three.
Steph Curry rings the register for three. Gets it back and hits a three. That makes it feel better.
Curry lines up a three.
Step back, and there it is. The threes. They're getting away with it, but not forever. And Steph Curry is starting to heat up a little bit.
Oh, if you don't like this game, you don't like NBA basketball.
Oh, man. His three's good. You think he was going away? With Steph shooting the three. Protected the player from himself as Curry hits the three.
Difference just like that man. Curry, the three-pointer. Offensive boards and get quick threes.
There's a quick three.
Curry.